Implants have been the most popular treatment for missing teeth. It is an alternative that is permanent and natural to those who require replacement teeth. One of the main factors that could influence your decision to have dental implants is their price. In this short video, we'll look at the price of implants for teeth in Europe against Turkey and Turkey, so that you can make an informed decision on which country to go for the dental implants you need. Europe is famous for its costliest healthcare services around the globe, and that includes dental treatments. Implants within Europe could cost from $2,000 to $1,500 per tooth, contingent on the nature of the procedure and place of the facility. It is an issue for a lot of individuals looking for dental implants. In contrast, Turkey has become a sought-after location for dental tourism because of its top-of-the-line dental treatment for a fraction of the costs compared with Europe. In Turkey, the cost of dental implants can cost from 500 to 1,000 euros for a tooth, which makes the procedure a less expensive choice for patients seeking a replacement tooth. One of the major reasons for the less expensive costs of dental implants in Turkey is the low price of living as well as labor. It is expensive to run a dental practice in Turkey is significantly cheaper than Europe that permits dentists to provide services at a cheaper cost. Furthermore, competition among dentists in Turkey is extremely high. This aids in reducing the price of dental implants. Another explanation for the lower costs of dental implants in Turkey is government commitment to healthcare. In addition, the Turkish state has made major expenditures in healthcare infrastructure as well as technological advancements, which makes it possible for dentists to provide quality care for a lesser price. Apart from the financial reduction, having dental implants in Turkey could also provide the perfect opportunity to get to know the rich cultural heritage of Turkey and its past. Turkey is renowned for its warmth, gorgeous landscapes, stunning scenery, as well as delicious food. This makes it an ideal destination for tourists from many across the globe. But it's important to research thoroughly before choosing to receive implants for your teeth in Turkey. Choose a trusted dental facility which has experienced and skilled dentists that have an established history of the success of procedures for dental implants. It's also crucial to take into consideration expenses for accommodation and travel for dental implants outside of a nation. In the end, the cost of implants for dentistry in Europe could be significantly more expensive in comparison to Turkey. If you're in require of dental implants and you are seeking the most affordable solution, think about getting them in Turkey. In addition to saving the cost, but you'll get to explore the gorgeous Turkey. Be sure to conduct the necessary research before choosing the most reputable dental facility to ensure the highest quality outcomes.